I think it's very important that somebody looks after and preserves this for future generations. I'm Reg Hodson, and we're inside the warehouse where I store my vehicles. I'm very interested in World War II military vehicles, both Canadian and American.
My name is Scott Collicutt. I'm a 21-year veteran, and this is my photo of me in Sarajevo. So I'm now the president of Valour Park Association, and we're trying to preserve history. You can read about history. Being able to touch a vehicle, you can live that history. We also need to be able to preserve a lot of this stuff. When these vehicles are gone, there's no more. So what we do is we purchase vehicles, or we're donated vehicles to the association, and we restore them and we put them back to their original use. Myself and other members of the association were friends for years, and we decided to put this together to save our history and to tell our history and to bring the younger generation on. I was, for all intents and purposes, a mechanic. I was REME, Royal Canadian Electrical Mechanical Engineer with the Canadian Forces, and I worked on all types of vehicles and equipment throughout my career. It was just working on vehicles in general that I loved to do and was always passionate about.
This is an armored reconnaissance vehicle, and it is renowned for its stealth.
What I'm passionate also is all the industrial aspect of it. How they're being built, how the guys think about it to make them. You know, how fast could you build them and send them back to the battlefield, and how they would be used.
We would like to first build a museum to put our collection in. And then what we would like to achieve is we would like to have the youth come in and be able to work on this stuff with veterans and have them learn as we learned, and hopefully one day take this over.